Today is our first Women's Empowerment Conference as part of Hopscotch. We've partnered with Careers UAE to bring that to life. We have 120 incredibly diverse, interesting and intelligent women in the room. We have 12 speakers and of course our sponsors who are here to help women progress on their career paths wherever they might be at this time.
What Hopscotch are doing are they're bridging the link between all these organizations and the women who are looking for roles and who are looking for flexibility at the same time.
They've really got together some great corporate leaders who've shared passionate stories, and it's a great forum to network with a lot of female talent out there.
Well, I think events like Hopscotch are interesting for two reasons. To hear from other women's experience. We all come from different walks of life, different experience, so it's always good to hear and to share. The second part is to network. When you build a business or when you look at the marketplace, you need to have a network you can get support from.
So it's not just women learning from women, it's women from Pakistan learning from women from the Emirates, learning from women from the States, learning from women from Germany. We know diversity is a good thing in the workplace. We know gender diversity is one kind of that. But events like this don't just bring gender diversity, they bring all kinds of different diversity as well.
So the best piece of advice I would give is that, go with your uniqueness. And this is not just for women, it's also for the men. There's something about you that makes you special. So whether it's in your own company or you're working for another person, just bring to the table what makes you, you.
I've personally spoken to some great women who've got some excellent skills to offer employers and they haven't yet been able to get back into the workforce. So I think it's been a fantastic opportunity for companies like MasterCard to connect with those women.
I would recommend Hopscotch to other women because this is one of the best in the UAE. They got us really good speakers today for the event and it was brilliant.
The most positive thing about today that I have taken away is the amount of women who feel they have benefited from this event. And we'd really encourage women to come to our site, to come to hopscotch.ee, to go to our Facebook page and to follow us so that they can find out more about our events and hopefully be with us at the next one.